Hey guys, we are about to do a snow hike. I want to field test my new chest pack, so hang out and come along with us if you'd like to. Let's do this. Well, I chose a trail close to home at a state park that used to be an old bridle trail, so it's reasonably flat and wide. I wasn't sure how deep it was going to be, if I was going to hit any drifts or not, so I decided to hike on it since it's reasonably flat, just a few short climbs, and so far so good. The only tracks I see are deer and the occasional squirrel, so it's going to be an interesting hike. So I'm looking forward to it. So, well, let's just quit talking about it and get going. Well, the snow is so deep you don't actually get your feet out of the snow, so it's like walking with ankle weights, but it's going to be a heck of a workout. Well, about all you tracks you see are deer tracks and maybe an occasional squirrel. For the most part, it's pretty peaceful and quiet. Pretty nice trail. I'm glad the snow is light and fluffy instead of wet and soggy. Be a lot tougher to walk in. So, and I haven't really hit any ice except when I was walking to the trailhead on the pavement. So anyway, wintertime snow hike. Tough work, but I am enjoying it. So yeah, this is one of my previous videos. I was talking about people think you're nuts or crazy getting out and doing stuff like this. Well, this is probably one of those hikes. It's not an easy hike because of the depth of the snow. So I just, I set a nice slow pace. I'm not in any big hurry. But yeah, it's work. I'm glad I've done a little bike riding and treadmill inclines and some previous hikes up to this point, because it could be a really long, tough day. So far, so good though. So this is going to probably be the steepest incline. It's not really that steep, not a significant grade, but you add the snow to it, it's going to be a chore. So just putting one foot in front of the other and just going slow and easy. So here we go, guys. Wish me luck. So there is one piece of advice I can give you from experience. You can easily overdress for stuff like this. What I mean by that, well, you can wear too much clothes and you can get hot and starting to sweat. So I think I got it about right today. It's like 17 degrees. I have a heavyweight long sleeve long john shirt on with a lighter weight long john shirt over the top of that, and then this sweater. So I'm pretty comfortable, but even that, I can still feel myself trying to warm up. I'm wearing a regular ball cap, not a toboggan. I do have earmuffs on to keep my ears warm. And I have heavyweight long johns on underneath my blue jeans. My legs are very warm, comfortable. But footwear, I'm wearing 1,000 grams of Thinsulate boots with a thin pair of socks on. And my feet are comfortable, and everybody's different. But the old adage I was told years ago by somebody who used to run in the winter is his advice was to dress like it's 20 degrees warmer, because you know your body's going to heat up with the physical exertion. So, and that seems to be a pretty good thing to kind of follow that advice. It seems to work pretty well for me. So anyway, let's keep going. It's tough, but I'm enjoying it. So if you're like me and 65 and I'm overweight, my physical conditioning is not as good as I'd like it to be. So I know my capabilities. So like today, I knew it was gonna be tough. So nice slow pace, just enjoying it. But you'd be surprised what you can do at 65 and beyond that, if you're smart and careful with what you're doing. You can get out and enjoy stuff that other people think you're nuts for even trying. So I just want to encourage you. You can get out and do a lot of things. Just be smart about it. Use those years of wisdom. So, but yeah, this is pretty cool, pretty nice. Yeah, don't forget to take those breaks. Take a moment, take a pause, take a knee, whatever you want to call it. Look around and enjoy where you're at and appreciate what you're doing, and give it a chance for your heart rate to slow down a little bit. So don't forget those breaks. All right, guys, that was about an hour and 45 minutes. Was it tough? I wouldn't lie to you and say it wasn't. It was like wearing ankle weights, let's just say, around your feet because the snow was so deep. So yeah, that was all I wanted. Probably then some. So, but good note. Chest pack rode well. I really didn't have any reason to get into it, but I'm pretty happy with it. So I think that's going to become one of my essential items for my hiking kit. So anyway, all right, guys, thanks for walking along with me, hiking, whatever you want to call it. It was a workout. I won't lie to you. But I'm glad I did it. So as always, my best to you and yours, and I will catch you on the next adventure. Take care.